Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your start menu is not opening, loading, unresponsive, or frozen, and just not working properly on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Task Manager, select File, and then Run New Task. Type in CMD and then checkmark where it says create this task with administrator privileges and select OK. You can close out the task manager. And you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scanl. Scanl shall be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, you want to go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. Okay, so once that's done, something else we can try here as well would be to open up File Explorer. So go ahead and select that down in our taskbar. And then you want to select this PC on the left side. So go ahead and left click on that. Right click on your hard drive where Windows is installed. You can see a little Windows icon above the hard drive. And select Properties. Select the Tools tab and then Error Checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select Check. Go ahead and select Scan Drive. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here. And hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.